Sixth root cube to the other side a power m whole power n. I am planning to give you some challenges. What is this confusion? This method is wrong. Whenever you get negative numbers, you have to use these numbers are called algebra to be taught with 129 power 0. Some properties. Square root of 13 is not 5, right? So you cannot take this case. So minus 5 is not equal to 1. This case also we can't take. I don't want to scare you, but I will teach you. The formulas will be like this. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What? Yes. Relax, babes. Relax. I'll teach you. Okay, relax. You have to practice like a kid, or you can use even artificial intelligence also. Don't get horns. Dream is not about getting a job. Surviving job and serving the people. This is I love teaching. I love teaching. I wanna see a smile on your face. Hello winners. A warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Oh, finally I welcome you to the lecture 20. Today, before going to the lecture, I just want to remind you, I hope you have practiced the previous day powers, right? The Ramanjan number and everything, right? Now, if you didn't practice, please practice. Okay. Now I will teach you what I will teach you. Roots. What are the roots? How do you say root? Root starts from number 2. For first number 1 there is no root. There is no root for this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. You can keep calculating root for any root. This is 5th root, 6th root. How do you calculate? If you want to calculate root for some x, how do you calculate? 5th root means this is how you represent. Okay. 6th root, 7th root, 8th root, 4th root, 3rd root. Is there any 3rd root? No. This is called cube root. As this power is called cube, this is called cube root. Cube root of some number x. This is, do you call it a second root? No, because the power is called as square. This is called square root. So sometimes you can write like this, but usually you no need to represent any number. If you keep it like this is called square root of x, or you can write sometimes like this. Okay, this is all about how to denote them. Okay, this is the representation, how to write them. Now I hope you are comfortable, right? For example, if you take cube root of 1331, how do you write this? How do you get this? First of all, you know it is 11 cube equal to 1331. I hope you remember from the last class. 11 cube. In the multiplication, 3 into 5 means it is 15, right? If you take this 5 other side, it is multiplying here. If you take it to the other side, it will divide, right? 15 by 5 is 3 only. So answer is not changed. So far so good. Similarly, if you take cube to the other side, it will become cube root. That means 11 is equal to cube root of 1331. So cube root of 1331 equal to 11. How? Cube root of 1331 means how much? 11 cube. Right? Now, cube root means whole power 1 by 3. I already told you cube roots will be like tree, it will be represented. A power m whole power n. There is one formula I am going to tell you. Whenever you write formula, you put two dots like this, then other dot like this. A power m whole power n, that is equal to a power m into n, right? But here n is 1 by 3, or you can take one more formula like this: a power m whole power 1 by n is equal to a power m into, in the place of n there is 1 by n, you just put it n here, that equal to a power m by n. You can represent in either ways. Anyways, I will explain this in the algebra, no need to worry. Okay, now 3 cancel, as this is into 3 will be cancelled, one time, answer will be 11. This is how you get cube root of 1331 as 11. Is it clear? You can cancel it here. Otherwise, square root of 25 is 5 square. Square root means whole power 1 by 2. This is one time, 5 power 1 means 5. Answer is 5. This is how you calculate. How do you call this? I already told you, this is, or this is fourth root of, because I didn't tell you the notation like this, fourth root of x. This is fifth root of x. But this is called cube root of x. This is called square root of x. You please write it in your notes. Please make a note of this. I didn't write it on the board, so I am explaining you. Okay. Now I am planning to give you some challenges. The confusion where you get confused. In confusion you will get more confused. I want to clear that confusion. I don't want any confusion. Confusion. What is this confusion? If you take, let us take 5 square, means 5 into 5. How much is the answer? 25. Minus 5 whole square, that is equal to minus 5 into minus 5, that is equal to minus into minus, you know it is plus. 5 into 5, 25. If I don't put the brackets, what will happen? Minus 5 square. Minus is, that means minus 1 into 5 square. This is the meaning of this is minus 1 into 5 square. That is minus 1 into 5 square is 25. That means this is minus 25. You have to write it properly. This one. Write it properly. 5 square is 25, minus 5 whole square. Now you know whole square. This is called whole. Whole. This is not a whole number whole. This is normal whole. Whole. For whole. You put a bracket and then you put square on top of it. This is called whole square, whole cube, whole power 4. That's how you read. Okay. If you put normal minus, then answer will also have minus. So far so good. Okay. Now I will show you some confusion where you may get it. I told you 5 square is 25. Minus 5 whole square is 25, right? I want to put square on the both sides. Or if I take the square to other side, what will happen? 5 will be here, that will become 25. Square root of 25, right? If I take this square to the other side, it will become square root of 25. So far so good. Now I want to calculate how the square root of 25 will come into picture. Okay, square root of 25 means I already mentioned 5 square. Okay, here 25 means square root of minus 5 whole square. I told you square and square root get cancelled. The answer is 5. Or square and square root get cancelled. The answer might be minus 5. Or another way is you can write 5 square whole power 1 by 2. Here you can write minus 5 whole square whole power the square root will write 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 5 whole power 1 is minus 5. Here 2 get cancelled one time. 5 power 1 is 5. Anyways, square root of 25 is giving a result of 5. Here or here you can take. Or square root of 25 is giving a result of minus 5 or minus 5, same. This is what you are taught. You just cancel it and then you get the result. Right? This method is wrong. This method is wrong. This method is wrong. Why? Because there is one concept called BODMAS. I didn't teach you. After divisions I will teach you, because there are subtraction, addition, multiplication, divisions. Still we did not complete additions in divisions. For additions we want LCM. For that we came to prime number, even number, then we came to squares, powers and power roots, then we will go to factorization, then we will go into the LCM, then we will go into the divisions, additions. This Y is called order of, that means brackets. This B is, this order of means square root of, cube root of. Those orders will be taken here. First one is brackets. Brackets will be given highest priority. Okay. When you are, especially here, this answer is correct. What about this process? When you get square root of 25, okay, square root of 25 means you want to take minus 5 whole square as 25, right? Then you want to get it as a minus 5. In this, directly you can't cancel square root and square. Why? Because square root has the second order here. Brackets are given first priority. So you have to solve first this one. That is square root of minus 5 whole square. Or somebody did not give the square root of 25. Directly they have given square root of minus 5 whole square. What is the answer? They will ask you. You should not cancel it and tell, yeah, it is minus 5, sir. You should never tell that. First you have to solve these brackets. Minus 5 whole square is minus 5 into minus 5. I already told you 25. Square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. That's it. This will never be negative. Never be negative. Mark my words. This will be non-negative. I already told you what do you mean by non-negative. Which is non-negative? That means it is positive or 0. Square root of 0 will be 0 or square root of any other number will be positive itself. Sir, what about square root of minus 25, sir? Square root of minus 25 will be written as square root of minus 1 into 25. Then they both will be divided into square root of 1 minus 1 into square root of 25. Square root of 25 value is 5. Square root of 1 is called as I. It is called imaginary number into 5. This is 5i. This concept will come in the complex numbers. I will explain. You need not to worry about much about complex numbers because it is not that important in our exams. But little introduction is needed. You should know what are the complex numbers. So this is what is called, whenever you get negative numbers, you have to use I imaginary number. Otherwise, in usual case, we will not be able to calculate. If you see, these 4, 25, 36, these all are called perfect squares, right? These perfect squares, you can calculate square root. You will directly get answers. You will get 2 here, you will get 5 here, you will get 6 here. But some numbers are there. Let us take square root of 2. Directly you cannot calculate. There is a method for this. Later I will tell you. If it is needed, I will tell you how to calculate square root of 2. These kind of numbers which are not perfect squares, and if you want to calculate the square root of these numbers are called irrational numbers. These numbers are called irrational numbers. Please, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, any other number which are not perfect squares are called irrational numbers. I'll tell you the reason later on. No need to much worry. Okay. I hope these concepts are very clear to you. Now, you know that it will always be either positive or 0. No negative concept here. Okay. I already used 2 formulas here. Right? 2 formulas I used. That means from algebra. That means algebra to be taught with number system. I still request any teachers, if they are watching this lecture, please teach your children algebra when you are teaching number system. Okay. Later if you use algebra, later you teach them and you use algebra in this number system, there is no use. You have to teach them LCM and HCF. You have to teach them algebra in the number system itself before going deep into the concepts. Okay, this is my request. I hope these things are very clear to you. Okay, now I want to teach any number. If you take, let us take 1 power 0 or 2 power 0, some 36 power 0 or some 3629 power 0 or some 36 lakhs 25,000, 36 lakhs 25,000, some 916 power 0, any number power 0 if you take, the answer will be 1. Yes, answer will be 1. Exception is there. Exception is 0 power 0. 0 power 0 or 0 by 0 called not defined. I already told you 0 by 0 not defined. 0 power 0 also not defined. And one more thing I will tell you right now. Now itself I will tell you. If you take 0, any power, 0 power 2, 0 power 200 or 0 power some 3, 5, 6, 9, 2, 1, 7, anything if you take, the result will always be 0. Please make a proper note of this. Okay. Anything power, there is a direct formula, a power 0 equal to 1 in the algebra. Okay. Or 0 power anything will become 0. I hope this concept is very clear to you. I hope these powers are very clear to you. Now I will be back to the same concept. Which concept? Which concept is that? Square root of 25, you get 5. Square root of 5 square, you get 5. Square root of minus 5 whole square, you get 5. Right? But Why this minus 5 whole square is becoming a 25 or 5 square is coming 25? When we will get plus or minus 5, I will teach you. There is a small catch here, okay. If there is x square equal to 25, x square equal to 25, then x can be 5 or minus 5, okay, x or minus 5. Remember always, because if you substitute x value 5 whole square, 5 square, this is 25, I already told you. If you substitute minus 5 here, this also will become 25, because here bracket will be given priority. So bracket whole square is 25. So like this. But if you put a square root here, minus 5 whole square, then bracket will be solved first. Minus 5 whole square will become 25. Square root of 25 will be 5. Only in this case x will be 5 or minus 5. If they have given x equal to square root of 25, then x should be always 5 only. Answer will be 5. Never forget this. Okay, the both differences. Please make a proper note of that. I will teach you some properties. What are those properties? Square root of 4 plus square root of 9. Can it be written as square root of 4 plus 9? Square root of 4 minus square root of 9. Can it be written as square root of 4 minus 9 or not? Square root of 4 into square root of 9. Whether it can be written as square root of 4 into 9. Square root of 4 by square root of 9. Can it be written as square root of 4 by 9? Please think about these properties in the roots. Okay? Okay? Come. And one more property I will tell you. I just remembered. Can we write 2 square plus 3 square equal to 2 plus 3 whole square, or 2 square minus 3 square equal to 2 minus 3 whole square? Can we write 2 square into 3 square equal to 2 into 3 whole square? 2 square by 3 square, can we write it as 2 by 3 whole square? This also I didn't teach in Telugu medium class. Okay, fine. I am teaching you. I am very happy. Please come. Now, if you calculate square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, right? If you take square root of 4 plus 9 is 13, square root of 13 is not 5, right? So, you cannot take this case. Similarly, square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 4 minus 9 is square root of minus 5. They both are not equal. You cannot take this property. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3, 2 into 3 is 6, square root of 4 into 9 is 36, square root of 36 is 6. They both are equal. You can take this property. Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. This is 2 by 3, right? Now, you can write this as 2 by 3 whole square and square root here. Both cancel, then answer will be 2 by 3. They both are equal. You can take this case also. Here 2 square is 4, 9, 3 square is 9. 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 9 is 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 square is 25. 13 is not equal to 25. So this case we can't take. 2 square is 4 minus 3 square is 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. So minus 5 is not equal to 1. This case also we can't take this property. We will see this property. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 3s are 36. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 square is 36. Say both are equal. So this property is good. 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9. 4 by 9, okay. 2 by 3 whole square, that means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. What did I tell you in the multiplication? You have to multiply the numerators, you have to multiply the denominators. 2 into 2 is 4, denominators 3 into 3 is 9, 4 by 9. So these two are equal, so this property goes well. Okay, I hope now you are comfortable with the properties, how to represent square roots and even squares also I told you, right? Now, we will stop this concept here. Now we will go to algebra. People get shaken with this concept because a lot of formulas will be there. What are those formulas? The formulas will be like this: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. What? Yes. That's how the formulas will be. Or sometimes there will be like, I don't wanna scare you, but I'll teach you. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Yes. Formulas will be like that. Or a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Or a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Two ways you can write. You can write, yes, you can write. Or a cube plus b cube equal to a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Or you can write that as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Any form you can write. How do you learn that forms? I will teach you. Relax. Relax, babes. Relax. I will teach you. Okay. You will be proficient. The way I am telling you the formula, similar way. I am not reading from anything. Okay. Just my brain is helping me with that. Because I have practiced a lot from my childhood. And you will also do. No problem. I'll teach you. Okay, relax. Now, before teaching algebra, I will tell you something. You want me to tell something? So, some people were messaging me on Instagram asking me, sir, practice. You're saying practice. How do we practice? You have to practice like a kid. How? Take a CBSE or state syllabus or anything, first class maths book to 10th standard maths book you take, okay, because in your exam syllabus it will be clearly written till 10th standard only. Even though it is competitive exam, if you know 10th standard maths well, till from 1st standard to 10th standard, you will be good to go, okay. You have to learn all these concepts. How do you practice? You can see, I am telling you many concepts. You can research on these topics by yourself. See, this is your journey. You are the one who has to travel. I am just a guide. I am telling you, you go this way is good. This way there is a tiger. This way there is a lion. Okay, take some protection. That's how I am here to guide you. But what you have to do is go to websites. Different websites, maths websites. A hell lot of websites are there. Okay. Don't keep watching some 2-3 Instagram reels or 2-3 YouTube shorts and thinking that maths will be practiced or you learn the maths. No. Go to proper website, maths websites, or go to YouTube or Google. Keep googling the concept, or you can use even artificial intelligence also. Recently AI is coming. You can use any method. Okay, you get more sums to solve. After solving topic by topic, different examples, I told you to keep calculating the digits always from the backside of a vehicles or the mobile numbers. You keep adding the digits. Your brain will become more sharp. After that, what you have to do is go and buy some. Here, don't pay any money to any website. Okay, they will tell you only 49 rupees, 99 rupees, first session, second session, demo session. This is nonsense. You just go to mock tests. Some mock tests will be there. I don't want to promote here. Previously I have used some test book. So at that time when I was preparing around 2018, I think 18, we paid like 1 year course. It was 399 rupees something. Now there will be a lot of section tests will be there. Math section, topic wise test will be there, overall test will be there. It depends on which exam you are preparing. If you are preparing for SSC CGL or SSC CHSL or some railway CHSL or railways, RRBs or bank exams or UPSC, anything UPSC or demand of the question paper, previous year question papers you take, see the demand of the exam, and here this mock test, online mock test will be there online. You go there, okay, try to write 1 or 2 tests. Even if you score 100 by 100 doesn't matter. Okay, don't get horns. If you score here and you fail in the real exam, there is no use. It's all about the real exam. You have to prepare your brain. Even if you solve only 10 questions in the 3 hours, no problem. Maintain accuracy. While you start driving, you don't concentrate on speed. You should concentrate on ABC, accelerator, brake, clutch, and then steering, then gear, then see both mirrors and the third mirror. Sides you have to see both sides. So it will be a lot of work initially. After that, your whole body will get used to that through practice. So you have to keep practicing. Any mistake happen, you have to keep always maintain accuracy. Okay, not on the first day. You cannot crack on the first day, trust me. Okay, you keep practicing. See, I am giving training or whatever I am teaching you, I want to make you like a king. This is the training given to a king, not to a soldier. Not to a soldier. Okay, 360 degrees training I am giving it to you. I am giving basics and different ways they may ask you, different resources, you get motivation, everything you get here. You can fight with different weapons. A soldier will be given only one type of weapon, either a knife or a spear or anything, only one type. But king knows to use all type of weapons. Even he has hobbies. He should gain knowledge. He should know how to talk, communication skills. He should be well built, very strong, well eaten, good food is taken, everything strong. Why? Because if someday the same training which was given to king, if it was given to soldier, the soldiers, if they start attacking king, they will kill the king immediately. There will be a lot of coups. Coup means, you know, right? Mutiny kind of thing. Okay, that's what happens if the soldiers attack king. That's why even if soldiers attack to the king, any instrument, any weapon, king will be ready to fight with them. That's why he is called king. But there are no kings now. There are only leaders. You don't prepare to the UPS and give a Pune exam. No. When you prepare UPSC, there is a way to think. If you prepare for SSC CGL, there is a way to think like an officer. You are a leader, you will be given a team, you have to take care of the team. That means you should have that knowledge. You should see, well, in the government office there will be, you have to read a lot of documents and you have to reply or you have to take some action. You should know English. There will be a lot of numbers, accounting will be there or some other calculation, economics will be there. So there you need numbers. you should be good with mathematics. What is happening around you, you should be aware as an officer. So that's why you need general knowledge. Whatever is happening, you should know. That's why you need current affairs. You should take decisions. That means you need logical reasoning. So these all will help you to take a better decision. That's how you have to prepare each and every subject. You should not neglect any subject. That will be a threat to you in your life. Becoming an officer is not a big thing. Okay, you have to survive. You have to fulfill your dreams. Dream is not about getting a job. Surviving job and serving the people to the fullest. Whatever you put more hard work. Why should I work hard? Why should I make these classes? Am I not getting enough salary? Yes, I am getting. Why should I make this kind of classes? I want to see a smile on your face. I'm not concerned about money or anything. And this is I love teaching. I love teaching. I want this is what will help you also. That's why I'm putting it in the YouTube. Okay, to reach more. I can't go to students offline because I'll not have that time. No need to travel. Why am I helping you all? Because you need not to go into the offline classes or anyway. You just sit at your home, open your mobile and you watch the lecture and keep reading. I also prepared. It was my self-preparation. Today I am a Group A officer. This SSCGL will give you Group B officers. After 20-25 years promotion, you will become a Group A officer. In this age, when at the age of 28, I became it's almost 3.5 years since I worked here. We have to put a lot of effort. Still we will put. Still I will keep putting. I want to put more hard work. However smart you are, you have to keep putting the efforts. It's not an easy job. I have to sleep very late to upload these lectures. Still I will do it. Because somewhere someone genuine person will be preparing for that. Even if I miss for one day, they'll get disappointed. I don't want that to happen. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Now from now onwards, I hope you know how to practice. Right? Keep practicing. Take the old question papers and prepare. And you give a good exam. I want to see a smile on your face. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.